Welcome to George's Pimped Out Canoe Madness. Fits neatly in the garage. The trailer makes it so much easier. We've got dueling trolling motors, you know. All can be added as time goes along. This is customized on a budget, functional, practical, and most of the concepts actually just worked out. Although the people at Lowe's and Home Depot thought I was a bit over the top. Stabilizer. We'll take a look at that. Boogie boards. PVC pipe filled with foam. Fits up into PVC ends. These pop off. You know, these will pop off if you need them for personal flotation. Yeah, doesn't take but a moment to put on. The only downside, you got to put those on after the canoe's in the water. You wouldn't ride down the road with it, they'd blow off. And you can't unload your canoe into the water off the trailer. Makes it practical though. In the center, draped over, this is just stock 5-foot PVC pipe right here. Ends glued on. These unscrew for lights, your beverages, whatever. Great. Took it a step farther though. Old roof rack bars right here. Gorilla taped on. And I glued on a commercial mat that I cut to fit in here. This is a waterproof bag that holds like a blanket or anything that I need. My net, just with some bungee cords over top. An oar should I need, didn't mean to bump that. Yeah, so we're good to go. Everything's strapped on. Trailer's very nice, so you don't have to carry it in the weight. But I can leave the batteries in. And for weight, battery behind my driver's seat. Recently added my old seat covers. I'm gonna fit those a little better. Yeah. See, under the mat, got room for a cooler that'll slide out. Front seats. Now these seats also will Coleman. Got our whistle, safety. Under each seat is a flotation life vest. Pad, little back, makes it nice. Yeah. And a front battery right here, you know. What it looks like from the front. On the trailer, of course. You just do one trolling motor, but for battery use and, you know, just because you can. Second one. Believe it or not, the stabilizers keep the canoe pretty well buoyant. and level in the water. Easy to maneuver by yourself. My tackle, lights, and everything in 2 crates that fit underneath. And if I remove all this stuff off the top, you could easily sit. So you can technically, well, you wouldn't want to, but 3-4 people with these, it can accommodate because of the buoyancy. Keep your rods and their little trojans down there, be beautiful. That's it. So start with a basic Coleman Remex 15-foot canoe. Definitely then add the battery trolling motor. PVC pipe is easy. Everything was stock pieces. These were simple 2-foot sections. Little elbows. So what? 2 5-foot tubes. 4 of these little mounts or T's. The little caps if you'd like. 3 2-foot sections for each side. This is bolted straight through the PVC to the canoe. It's the only. Yeah, where do you see it in the water?